Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today, Red Magic 3 5G camera test. This device main camera 64 megapixel, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, last one 2 megapixel macro shot. This device takes shots normally 60 megapixel, you want to change 64 megapixel. Okay, just I am first take shots use on 60 megapixel. Its processing time is really fast and this lens support up to 10x digital zoom. Quality is reasonable, it's not bad. Overall looking it's good, but stability is a little bit bad. Okay, just I'll show you guys. This is 60 megapixel shot, not a 64. Quality it's overall okay. It's not bad. Okay, just I'm choose the camera 16 to 64. Okay, just a minute. I'm change the camera. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm change the camera on 64 megapixel. Now I'm take the same place one shot. Just I'm show you the image. See guys, compared to 60 megapixel, 64 megapixel is color is looking real. It's natural looking. Yeah, quality is much better compared to 60 megapixel. Yeah, I really love. And one more thing, this device weight little bit high. I feel this weight. Yeah, it's little bit overweight device. Cool, right? Maybe fan here inside the phone. Okay. I know this is the camera test. Everything review in later. Okay, once again, I'm show you this is the 2 megapixel macro shot and macro lens is fastly focused. Yeah, it's cool, right, guys? Okay, let's look at the video department. Lot of the features here on this device and blurring mode, macro shot, and macro video recording also support this device. Okay, first I'm look the blur effect. Yeah, it's not only photo, it's also support. Okay, once again, blur effect video. Okay, just see, guys. Wow, it's look little bit hospital patient. Okay, anyways, I really like this effect and lot of the features here on this device look like the Apple and Samsung type AR emoji feature. It's cool and pretty features available on this Red Magic 5G. It's really cool, guys. Okay, just I'm show you some camera samples. Let's look now. Okay, this is the first sample 64 megapixel shot and quality it's amazing. Guys, what do you think, guys? Do you like this quality? My opinion, I'm here in that floor. This quality is much better. See, guys, it's a building. It's really amazing. And this is the top of the building focus. It's also quality. It's amazing. Okay, another sample. See, guys, it's a blue color board. It's normal 64 megapixel shot. It clearly, yeah, it's not good. Just I'm zoom the 10x zoom, then I'm capture this image. Quality is much better. I really love it, the 10x digital zoom. And some outdoor footages, colors, quality it's not bad. It's night shot.